Aaron.
Hey, how's it going? Pizza Academy / laboratory. There's a lot of scientific stuff that goes on having to do with pizza.
Right. Look at all those toppings. We sure have a laboratory. Look at that. Look at the toppings.
Okay, so I have to make what we call the crunching bacon hidden Roni. Okay, you'll see why in a moment why it's called the hidden Roni. There's a reason. He's also a big fan of food, but he is really passionate about that Roni.
Very passionate
Like
about that.
scarily passionate. So I'm gonna add this right here. It looks like we're losing our flame, but not to fret. Do not fret. I will add a piece of wood and we'll get in shape.
So the reason we call it the hidden Roni is because I like to put pepperoni under the cheese.
Nice.
Under the cheese. I have a theory that is unproven, or it's proven by me alone, that if you put pepperoni under the cheese, it seals in a lot of the flavor in the pepperoni that a lot of people miss out on. Which is just code for it being a lot more greasy.
There it is, below deck Roni.
And then I also don't really like putting too much cheese on. I like a small amount because cheese expands when it's in the oven. A lot of people put too much cheese.
And depending on the quality, of course, the better quality of the cheese, I'd say the less you probably need.
That's true as well.
So keep that in mind also.
Put a GoPro on the end of the peel.
You saved it.